Meaning of graphic arts.
Graphic arts.
Graphic arts.
Graphic arts.
Graphic arts. Graphic arts is a term used to describe artistic disciplines that involve the creation of visual art through a variety of techniques such as drawing, painting, typography, printmaking and digital media. It encompasses a wide range of art forms, including fine art, illustration, graphic design, animation, and multimedia production. Through the use of these techniques, artists can create images, designs, and visual presentations intended to communicate information or evoke emotions in their audiences. The graphic arts play an important role in advertising, marketing, publishing, and entertainment industries by conveying messages and influencing consumer behavior through visual storytelling.